Hiya folks, workshop's looking a bit tidy, isn't it? See you in a minute. Well, as you can see, I'm virtually, well, near enough straight. You can't see that lot over there, but as you can see here now, this is all totally clear. I've cleaned all the top of the shelves off now. All my battery drills are up there, and I've got a nice working area this side as well as over the other side to work as well. Don't forget, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button there, and also ring the little notification bell, and that means that you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks very much for that. And yeah, just a little update vid this is, just to show you that I am getting on with the workshop now. I haven't published one on my Retro Hacks channel for nearly a month now. And as I say, I'll shortly be up and running on that again. But those of you who probably didn't know that we used to do our live streams on a Saturday afternoon. We've been doing that from probably about July last year. But I've decided that I won't be doing live streams every Saturday anymore. Only for the simple reason is they took up so much time and planning and preparation, and basically I threw away a whole day, which is Saturday, just doing like a 1.5 hour show. So it was less cost effective for me to do that. But a lot of you used to give me super chats there in the way of to help our channel. Bearing in mind, this is our living, as it has been for the past year now, mine and Sharon's, making our YouTube videos. And as a result of that, we're not doing them anymore. We thought we'd also put down an Amazon wish list just below these videos. If you're watching on a desktop computer, you can see the video description below, and in there you'll find an Amazon wish list there where people can purchase things for the channel, things that we use on a sort of weekly basis, or things that come in handy for us basically. So that's what people have been doing, and I'm just going to say thank you to a few of my subscribers who have actually purchased me things on the Amazon wish list. This is a little note here come from Neil Wilkes up in Scotland. Thanks very much, Neil. Neil has sent me some lovely little drills there off of the wish list, and also some microfiber cloths, which we use all the time, especially when I'm cleaning stuff down and that. And something I've been after for a long time, but I've never actually bought one, and that is a set of these. Remember these step drills? Look, they're absolutely perfect for drilling through like plate metal and increasing the size. And there's 3 different sizes there. As you can probably see there, there's a little tiny one there that goes up to 12mm. There's one there that goes up to 20mm, and also the bigger one there that goes up to 32mm. And that's really, really handy. So thanks very much, Neil, for that. Greatly appreciated. And as I say, that comes from Amazon via the wish list. Now, I've got one other gift here, which, again, I've been after for ages, and it will definitely make my life easier. And I can't actually thank the person in person, so to speak, because although this did come through the Amazon wish list, there wasn't the notification paper there inside the actual parcel. So I don't actually know who sent me this. But I must thank you again from the bottom of our heart, because it's something that's going to get used, and it will save a lot of hassle and time in me draining out lawnmowers. It's basically one of those vacuum pump things where you basically put pressure in it, stick that in the outlet hose of a lawnmower fill plug, and it will suck out all the old oil without having to tip it up at all. So that's a great tool. I've been after one of them for absolutely ages, but never got around to it. So right, that's that. So I've still got a bit more to do inside the log cabin. As you can see, I've also cleaned the windows. They've not been done for, I don't think they've ever been done, to be honest with you. So that's that. And I've just got to fit up now a new light fitting. I've actually bought a couple more light fittings. As you can see here, I've got a twin 5-foot fitting, and there's also 2 single 5-foot fittings. Got them off of Facebook. So I'll probably use the twin maybe. Yeah, so I think I'll put the twin 5-foot up there just to give me a bit more light in this area. And I've got to put some gauze over there, as you know, and put the extract ducts outside, but I don't necessarily need to do that now. I want to get the light up here first. I left the old cable plugged in, so I've literally just got to connect it up. Let's go and get the fitting sorted out. And as I say, not new fittings. I paid £15 for this. These are quite dear, actually, when you buy them new. So, how do these unclip? Oh, there we go. Let's pull them down. So, for the 3 fittings, that's this twin 5-foot and also the 2 single 5-foots. I paid a total of £30, so I'm happy with that. I mean, ideally I'd like to have LED lights in here, but for this price I couldn't really turn these down. Right, put that to one side. Always handy to have them shields on. As you see, I've just hit that light up there, and if you've just got the bare tubes, it can cause you all sorts of troubles. So let's just remove them tubes there. Put them over there for a minute. Very simple and cheap these, just push them 2 plastic clips in. Up they come. On the other end, just unhook the gear tray. Again, I'm just wiring these on the plug top, that's all I really need. Put that over there for the minute. I was going to move this vise, as I probably told you before, but now I've actually moved, because this was sitting there before, as you probably remember, and I couldn't really get to my vise, but I think that's ideal now, and if I have anything long in there, I can always open the window, as I've done before, and stick it through the window, so that's ideal. That's gone under there now. Again, hasn't got to be too elaborate, this. I did put that extra bit of wood up there. All I'm going to do is basically just fit that up there for the moment, like that. So I want a hole in the end there, and I also want a hole in the end there. So let's get my battery drill out. So much easier now I know where literally everything is. Everything's got an order to it now. I can go straight to a drill piece. Up there. Just put that in there like that. Again, I'm only going to put one hole in the corner. Maybe 2 actually. Same the other end. Just spin that round. A lot of you tend to like watching tinkering about videos. I mean, normally this is the sort of video that I wouldn't normally bother making, to be honest with you, but if you like them, I'm going to do them. Right, that's 4 holes. Get rid of that. And let's get 4 screws. Right, okay. Let's get that up there. I want 1 screw to start off with. So, where am I going to put that? Somewhere like that. Just get that screw up there. Get the old battery drill. There we go, there's 1. Get another one. Put these ones in at a bit of an angle. Is that straight? Yeah, that's near enough straight, isn't it? There we go, just put that in there and whack a second one up there. There we go, ain't coming down. And the final one this side. There we go, happy days. That ain't coming down. Right, okay, so let's just hang this gear tray back up again, just to make our life a little bit easier. Nice and simple. These fittings are definitely very, very thin and not made the way they used to be years ago. I suppose that's to keep prices down, I don't know. Over the years, I've installed literally thousands of these. And a lot of them now have got the, don't use screw connectors anymore. They've got the pushing ones like this fitting has. I'll show you in a second. Just cut them back a bit. Like that. And I don't know whether you can see or not, but you just push that tab down and then it opens up the contact there. So let's whack the neutral in first. And that's it, just bites onto the cable, you see. It's that simple now. Whether it's a better way or not, I don't really know, but it's obviously been tested and bites on. And as you can see, that you can't pull the cable out. It's that simple to connect up now. Right, let's just push that back up like that. That should just clip in. That's 1. And that's 2. There we go, that's them 2 in. Whack the tubes back in. And quarter turn. Like that. Quarter turn. Let's plug her in. Now, do I turn it on without putting the shade on? Or do I put the shade on then turn it on? Let's turn it on, let's have a look. There we go, happy days. So this has now become my little spraying corner. Just whack that back up there like that. I haven't got to put all them clips on, I don't think. There's one there. One there. Nice to be able to get around the back and do this. One there. One there. There we go, that'll do. I'll give that a wipe over. And I'll probably whitewash that, I think. What do you reckon? Just give that another coat of paint. I've got, as I say, a filter gauze to go over there. And then that's this area pretty much done. Happy days. So it's just nice to have everything organised, which I haven't had for a long time, to be honest with you. Again, these have been a godsend, these. I've never really used these before. And really, really handy when you're doing certain stuff. And as you can see how easy it is. And all I've got to do is get into the habit of keeping stuff organised. Put that down there. That's what I wanted to do as well. I wanted to take these clips off here. Look, they come with these clips on them for hanging on your belt. But I'm never going to do that, so I might as well just remove that. And put that back up there. Happy days. Tools in the drawer. Drills back over here. I'll keep that clip anyway, just in case. And that's it. Happy days. So that can go back up there. Nice to get organised for a change. Get rid of all the rubbish as I go along. Start as you mean to go on. As I say, it's a new decade for us here now. And we're moving our channel forward. I want to bring loads more content to you. I want to get the cars out of the way first. The Triumph Acclaim, obviously. I've got my Vauxhall Signum to sort out first. And then we'll be on to the Triumph Acclaim and then the Trotter van. Also them 3 mopeds that I've got hanging about, as well as other stuff. So don't forget, if you do enjoy my channel, hit the old subscribe button there. Put your thumbs up if you're happy, or even thumbs down. I'm not really too bothered on that one. And don't forget to ring that little notification bell. And that will mean that every time I upload a video, you'll get a little alert saying Retrorestore's uploaded a video. If you fancy buying something off of our wish list below, don't forget, check that out as well. It's stuff which I can use in the workshop, and it means that, again, this is our business at the end of the day now, using YouTube videos, and I hopefully provide good, interesting content for you. And that's the whole reason why we do this. It's our business at the end of the day. So anyway, thanks very much. Hope you've enjoyed this little video. We'll be on the lawnmower again. Gary's ordered the gasket for that one, that little web lawnmower. That will be coming up as soon as we got the gasket, probably Wednesday. And we'll be finishing that one off as well. Anyway, thanks very much. See you in the next video. And until then, bye for now.